Twisty Thaumatrope. A Twisty Thaumatrope is an optical toy. It is very easy to make. Let us make it together. You will need glue, ruler, color pencils, sketch pens, wool, 4 card discs. Draw a single line in the center of both the empty discs. Draw an ice cream cone on one disc and draw the ice cream on the second disc. Make sure that the cone is below the line and the ice cream is above it. Color the ice cream scoop and the cone. Apply glue and paste the 2 discs together. Pierce 2 holes and pass the wool through them to make the thaumatrope. When you play with